All right, Reddit, strap in. This is the story of how a greedy landlord tried to make my family homeless and how I used his own arrogance to take everything he loved. My name's Javier Morales. I'm a fourth-generation mechanic from Tucson, Arizona. And this is a masterclass in tenant revenge. For 8 years, my wife Rosa, our twins Miguel and Sophia, and I lived at Casa Flores, a sun-bleached adobe house with turquoise door frames and the sweetest lemon tree in the backyard. We paid $1,300 per month, on time, every time. Then came the letter, slipped under our door like a snake on a Tuesday night. Effective next month, rent increases to $1,800. Sign attached agreement by Friday, June 14th, or vacate premises immediately. Signed, Sterling Properties, LLC. My hand shook. $500 more? That was half our grocery budget. Rosa cried silently at the kitchen table, Sophia's asthma medication staring at us from the counter. But then, I saw the date. June 14th. Today was June 9th. Arizona law? ARS Section 33-1329 demands 90-day notice for rent hikes over 10%. Sterling gave us 5 days. Illegal. Predatory. Am I breaking point? Phase 1. The recording. I call the number on the letter. A man answered, voice slick as motor oil. Sterling. Mr. Sterling? Javier Morales from Casa Flores. Sir, this rent increase, it's impossible. My daughter has. He cut me off. Not my problem. Sign or pack. And Javier. A pause thick with threat. My crew starts demo on your street Monday. Would hate if your power got accidentally cut. Click. I looked at my phone. Recording saved. Arizona's a one-party consent state. That a legal threat? My first weapon. Phase 2. The fake surrender. The next morning, I hand-delivered an envelope to Sterling's glass-walled office downtown. Inside, a signed lease agreement, backdated to appear compliant. A check for $1,800, post-dated for July 1st, illegal to cash early under ARS Section 44-7002. His receptionist smirked as I left. Smart choice. She didn't see me filming Sterling's security system monitor behind her. With 2 clicks, he erased the last 72 hours of footage. Violation of ARS Section 33-441. Arizona requires landlords retain security footage for 30 days. Gotcha. Phase 3. The Bulldozer standoff. Monday dawned hot and dusty. At 7 a.m., Sterling rolled up in a black Escalade, 2 sheriff's deputies beside him. A bulldozer idled down the street. Time to go, Morales, Sterling yelled, waving our agreement. Sheriffs? Remove this squatter. I stepped onto the porch, lemonade in hand. Come, show me the court-ordered eviction notice, Mr. Sterling. His smile faltered. You signed. You paid. This. I held up his demand letter. Asterisk demands an illegal rent hike. Violates ARS Section 33-1329. Also, asterisk, I pointed to his security camera. Asterisk, you destroyed footage from June 10th. Violates ARS Section 33-441. That's felony evidence tampering. Asterisk. Deputy Martinez stepped forward, hand on his belt. Mr. Sterling? We need to verify this. Sterling's face purpled. He's lying. Tear it down. The bulldozer lurched toward Rosa's lemon tree. Stop. My voice cracked like a whip. Asterisk, that tree's a historic cultivar. Harm it, and you violate Tucson Code Section 25B7. Asterisk, a bluff, but the operator froze. Sterling spat. You'll regret this, pobrecito. Phase 4. Operation Adverse Possession. While Sterling raged, I executed Arizona's Squatters' Rights Law, ARS Section 12-521. Furnish proof of continuous residence. Utility bills from 8 years. School records for the twins. Sworn affidavits from neighbors. Made hostile claim. Changed locks that night. Legal after lease violation. Improved the property. Installed $15 solar garden lights along the walkway. Filed an affidavit of improvement with the county. Took physical possession. Moved into Sterling's own mansion. A $2.5 million modern monstrosity 2 miles away. Its pool house. Empty for years. Perfect. I paid the pool house utilities. Mailed Sterling a certified letter. Asterisk. I claim continuous, open, hostile possession of 55 Desert Crown Drive per ARS Section 12-521. Trespassers will be prosecuted. Asterisk. Phase 5. The legal kill shot. Sterling's lawyer threatened. You'll face criminal charges. I emailed back one attachment. County Notice HPR 2024-09. My $15 solar lights? They triggered a historic preservation review for Casa Flores neighborhood. Sterling's condo project? Frozen for 18 months. His investors bailed that afternoon. Phase 6. The Cactus Garden ambush. Sterling arrived at 55 Desert Crown at midnight. Drunk, screaming. Thief! This is my house. I stood behind the gate. Phone recording. Asterisk your house. Adverse possession requires 7 years. True. But ARS Section 12-522 fast tracks claims if the owner commits, say, felony assault. Asterisk. He charged. I sidestepped. Sterling face-planted into my jumping Cholla cactus garden. His howls woke the neighborhood. I'll kill you. Police found him bleeding, cursing, cactus spines embedded in his cheeks. Bodycam footage showed him swinging at officers. My TikTok video, at Tenant tactics. Landlord tries illegal eviction. Ends up in Cactus jail, winking face, hashtag squatters' rights. 2.7 million views in 48 hours. The settlement. Sterling faced. Criminal trespass. Assault charges. Investor lawsuits $3 million plus. His lawyers offered a deal. Full ownership of Casa Flores, deed in my name. $500,000 cash, hush money. Withdrawal of all claims to the pool house. I countered at $50,000 for Rosa's Community Garden Fund. They agreed. Epilogue. Today. Casa Flores is rent-free forever. Sterling's pool house. Cactus Community Tool Library, free drills, mowers, ladders for neighbors. The lemon tree? Heavy with fruit. Sophia sells lemonade. Profits go to Tenant Rights, Arizona. Last month, a dented Prius crawled past our house. Sterling drove it. Eyes hollow. Karma's the quietest landlord. The justice blueprint. If you're fighting a slumlord. Record everything. Know your state's consent law. Mail paper trails, certify.